Well, anybody who does any woodworking knows that sawdust gets everywhere. And a broom just ain't going to cut it. So we use our shop vac to try to get it all. The problem is wood dust is so hard on the filters. Always buying a new filter, always got to clean it. Well, there's an answer to this that I'd like to show you if you haven't seen this already. Well, this is the shop vac that I use. I just cleaned it out a month ago. But as you can see, it's about shot again. It's really hard to clean that filter, and it gets expensive having to buy new ones all the time. I think everybody needs to invest in a dust cyclone. There's a lot of brands out there, there's a lot of different types, but they all do pretty much the same thing. Let me show you how this one works if you haven't seen this before. As you can see, I got a cleaned out vacuum. I got a filter that's brand new. And I've got a bucket that's empty except for a little dust around the sides. Okay, now let's look in the bucket. As you can see, it's got the sawdust in it. Now let's look in the vacuum. Vacuum's empty. I don't see any sawdust in there. And this filter still looks brand new. Well, after that demonstration, I don't know why anybody wouldn't want one of these. This one here is the Oneida Dust Deputy. I'm not endorsing them, I'm not getting anything for it. There's several different models I've seen out there. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to build a roll-around cart where this is stored above it. And that way I can be a little more compact and I can just move it around where I need to. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I got a lot more stuff like this and some projects I want to show you. Thanks for watching.